Welcome back, YouTube. Welcome to the Draw Me Experience. I'm Tay. Right now, Dim and I are at the Silver Sands Grenada, and we are giving you nothing less but a room tour. We are staying in the 1-bedroom penthouse suite ocean view room at the Silver Sands. The room is so nice. Stay tuned to this video so we can tell you how we got this room for half the price. We got this room for basically 50% of what it really costs. I'm gonna step into the room with our tour guide, nobody less than Dim, to show you where we're gonna be staying for our vacation.
Welcome to the Drama Experience room tour. Before you get over there, if y'all wanted to use the bathroom real quick, I'm gonna show y'all the first bathroom, all right? So before you enter, we got the bathroom. Now let's get into the whole tour. As y'all can see, it's huge in here. Look at this. Now let's get into the living room. For some reason, they got like the lounge chairs set up here. And I don't know why the TV looks so small. I feel like the TV should have been a lot bigger, right? But we still got a good TV, good size TV. We can walk and sit and chill right here. And now we got a couch. I like the setup. So now let's bring it in here. The bar and the slash sink area. Like almost like a kitchen, but no stove, right? Okay. Oh, we got everything we need. Water, we got some coffee, tea, got everything we need in there, and a sink if you want to wash your hands. So now, let's enter our bedroom. Before we enter, we got a little statue here. They doing good with this artwork, right? Let's go into the bathroom first.
This is the closet.
I'm sorry, this is the closet. Closet, a walk-in closet, huge. We got our stuff in here already. Now let's get into the bedroom. Here's our big king size bed. It feels very comfortable. We got another TV. And we also have another little couch here where we could chill. They have like an end table right here for us.
This is my favorite part.
More for Tay. They got a table where she could chill and probably do your work too.
Yeah.
See us, whoa, yup. Full length mirror. And they got a little statue. They don't play with their statues.
Okay.
Also, I forgot to tell you, we got some controls that I love that they were showing us when they did give us the room tour, right? We could control the lights by our bed and also the curtains that comes around this whole bed. Now let's get into our bathroom. So this is our bathroom. 2 big sinks, 2 mirrors. We got a little bench here. We got a big tub that I know I could fit in for sure. I feel like a lot of the tubs in the hotel I can't fit in.
The toilet.
Another toilet. And our shower. Overhead shower.
Overhead shower.
And look, this is dope. This thing also has a blind.
Yeah, so people don't see you washing up.
Yep, we washing up. Now let's get into the balconies. We got 2 balconies. Since we're in the bedroom, I'm gonna start with the bedroom balcony, right?
And as you can see, it's getting dark out because we checked in early, but we were in the wrong room. Yeah. We had to switch our room.
So this is the first balcony, which is our balcony for our bedroom. Lounge area, we can come out here and eat and just relax and catch the heat.
Yeah, it's hot.
Yes, catch the heat. Now let's get into the main balcony. These balconies got blinds and curtains too that can close, that we control right there. All right. This is the main balcony, this is huge. Right?
Yep. Basically a bigger version of what we had before.
Yep. So as you can see, this is the 1-bedroom ocean view penthouse suite. This is not only a room tour, but we also gonna give you some knowledge and a hack at the same time. So if you go on the website, which is Silver Sands Grenada, this room goes for about $3,000 to $4,000 a night. And we stay here for 3 nights. That would be a grand total of $12,000 for this marvelous room. But the hack is, right, as American Express Platinum holders, we booked a regular standard room. We get 1 complimentary upgrade and we get resort credit at the same time.
And we also get early check-in and late checkout.
But the complimentary upgrade is not gonna get you this,
No.
right? So the next hack to this is when you get here, you ask for another upgrade. So they asked for upgrade I wanted. I told them the upgrade, but I don't think they fairly understood that I wanted this. So they upgraded us to another room, which is right under this. It was not that bad, but we always do suites when we travel.
When we asked for the upgrade, right now, this room technically was not booked. They will give you an extremely nice discounted rate. At any hotel, if you ever want to like go into another room and that room is not booked, the hotel would lose the money for that room not being booked for the day, so they'll give you a discount to go into that room.
Half the hour, they get something.
Basically, we upgraded the room. Our total trip is going to come out to about $6,000 room.
$6,200, just to be technical, $6,190.
Oh my God.
I'm gonna just round it up to $6,000. We saved $6,000 on this room by coming here and upgrading while we got here. The only thing about this hack is it could be a chance that the room that you want is not available. Also be a chance they could say that it's not available, but it is. I don't know, maybe they wanted to get the full price of it, I guess. You know, they could do that too, but I doubt hotels will do that.
No.
They always try to get you to upgrade and get something out of you, you know what I mean? Pay more money.
So I recommend if you are gonna do the hack that we do, that you book the room that you're okay with staying in.
Exactly.
Do not book the room that you would never want to sleep in. So book something you're like, all right, I'm cool with this, but if I got better, great. With the Amex Platinum, you're automatically gonna get one level up, and then if you want to be 2, then you would just have to pay a small fee, and then if you want to go higher, then that's when it gets bigger. But it will always be way cheaper than booking directly through the hotel on the room that you wanted. The only risk you run is that, like Dim said, it won't be available. But if you're okay with staying in a lower room and taking the chance when you get there, then you're fine.
And the room that we had at first was perfect for us too. It was fine. It was still like a suite. It was kind of big. It was spacious. It was very nice. Very nice. The standard rooms on here are very nice. They damn near suites. We always get an upgrade. I don't know why, but
so if you haven't seen our other vlogs, like at the Dominic Hotel, we did the same thing. This is just something that we do. So if you're not following suit, get on it. But
and let them know that the drama experience let y'all know. All right. Let them know.
So thank you for tuning in to this room tour. If you have any questions, drop them down below, and also tune into our Grenada vlog.
Yes,
so you can see everything else we're going to be doing on this vacation. We're still celebrating Dim's 32nd birthday.
Say happy birthday to me again.
Happy birthday.
So catch y'all guys later, all right?